Hey beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. We have FabFitFun Winter Edition. This is an interesting box. So winter 2022, this is the last box for the year. FabFitFun, if you're not familiar, is a seasonal subscription box. So summer, winter, spring, and fall. And I've been with them for a long time, few years. If you want to see what I got in my box, stick around. They have increased the price. I believe it's $59 every season now. You save a little change if you're an annual member. I will leave my link down in the comment section in case you are curious. Save some bucks off your first box. So let's open it up and see what's in it. All right, so I feel like I'm the last person to get it. Usually I get my box quite early. We're gonna crack open and see what it looks like. So FabFitFun. It is one of my favorite boxes just because of the variety. So awkward shape, but this is what it looks like here. And we get the magazine, which is very colorful. So how to create your winter haven, loving the skin you're in with Ashley Graham. Oh, I love her. So they do give you tips and tricks on how to use some of the things that are inside the box. If you're an annual member, which means you pay for the year, you get to pick your whole box and customize it. So there's some Ashley Graham. If you're not familiar, I love her because she is super honest and just upfront. So they don't give prices, so we'll just go through what's in my box. Fluff. Okay, so this is, I believe, the car organizer. Let's open it up. It's by Amika. And let's see, it's got like this evergreen shade. I think FabFitFun is great for gifts. So if you're looking for a great gift idea, you can just gift one, you know. So here's this, and it says car organizer, 24 inches, 10 by 10. So I see the, what do you call it, like a xylophone. Oh, that's pretty cool. I think that's pretty handy. And if you are a busy mama or a busy dada, this would make an awesome thing to add to the car. I think it's a great gift as well. I like that it snaps, so when you're not using it, you could just put it in the back of the trunk so it's not in the way. Okay, next I did choose this, which was the Christoph Robin. I have the smaller sizes of this and I absolutely love it. And every time I have this for customization for IPSY or any other box, I always choose this brand because it's great. I tried the scalp scrub and it was awesome. This is the cleansing purifying scrub with sea salt, soothing detox treatment shampoo. It is 250 mLs. It's just amazing, and you shouldn't do it all the time, but it smells very light, and you just give it a good scrub. You could do it after you shampoo, before you shampoo. I do it right after I shampoo because I like to like scrub my scalp a lot. So this is a deep cleansing shampoo scrub, post coloring treatment, invigorate hair, sensitive or oily scalp. Let's see what they say. They say it's a, oh, that's in French. So of course the sea salts are like an exfoliant. So I think this is really nice, and it's a super size, so it will last for a long time. So this is the Icon Beauty Mini Humidifier. Also very awesome. If you guys did not see any of my unboxings for FabFitFun, I'll leave them in the cards so you guys can go check them out. I got a mini air purifier, awesome for small spaces. So this is the humidifier. It includes 4 replacement swabs, 2 LED modes, soft white and rainbow. It hydrates the air. Perfect for winter time when you're congested. You know, that season, everybody's getting a cold, a flu, or whatever. It's a USB powered adjustable mist. Very lovely. And here are the color combos. So you get like this bright white or the rainbow. I love this idea, which is why I picked it, because anything mini is very cute to me, but the fact that it's necessary, and I could travel with this. I could put this in my suitcase. I could put it in my bag if you're just going away for the weekend. It doesn't want me to open it up, but I do want to show you. So here is the component is very tiny. Jeez, very tiny. And so you could see that it would be very personal right here. And then it's got a USB, comes with a cord inside. I think this is awesome. And if somebody were to give me this as a gift, I would love it. So that is great. Let's see, I got the Pixi Skin Treats. I love Pixi. They have great toners. So this is the Rose Tonic and this is the Retinol Tonic. They are both 100 mLs or 3.4 fluid ounces. My favorite is the Glow Tonic because it gives you like a little tingle. But if you don't like Rose, definitely not for you. And then this one is Retinol and Jasmine Flower. So this is awesome. Awesome, awesome. I think that was a great choice for me. And then next, another detoxifying shampoo. Also, this brand Way. It's by Jen Atkins. It's for all hair types. I like this a lot, as much as I like the Christoph Robin, and they are extremely pricey by themselves. And so whenever I get this as an option on any customization, I always pick it. It's great for traveling, and I can also refill my travel bottles. But I love this. I would never spend the money on myself for it. This is 300 ml, so it'll last me a long time because I don't detox my hair that often. My hair is normally dry. So I like to keep my hair as moisturized as I can, but every now and then you do want to like give your scalp and your roots a nice scrub, just like your skin. Another item here is the Butter Keeper, and since I'm just about to start creating my own butter, I thought this would be really cool. I like old school butter keepers, like, you know, the classic ceramic one, but I like this style and I thought it would fit. It's BPA free. It's by IPSY. Let's see if I can open it up here and show you. I like it just because of the ease of use, right? So you get the butter tray here, and I believe those are measurements, but I'd have to double check. And I like this, just very user friendly. The ceramic one, I have had one break. So another great item or gift item if you know somebody who is super into making their own butter. And then we have a few more. Oh, the Way, I believe this was combination because this is the detox shampoo. This is the scalp massager. Includes scalp massager. Let's see what that looks. Oh, okay, I've seen these. I mean, this is probably really cute, but I don't think I would use it. So I'll put that aside. I saw it separately, which is really why I like when they give you like the pamphlet so you can read what you picked and what the other choices were. But anyway, so this was a combo. Sorry to backtrack. And looks like our last item is going on. Our last item is by Coach. And I think these were, yep, Coach C-Stud Earring 2 set. I think I've gotten this before. I think or something similar. I love the bag. So let's see what they look like. Oh, that's just the thing here. Oh, these are probably really cute for like every day. So there's two. So you get the C and the stud. Oh, I'm really gonna like these. This is also another great gifting item. So many great options on this customization, like really. Okay, so we got earrings, which have 2 sets in there. We have the Way set scalp massager and the detox shampoo. We got the butter keeper. We got the Icon humidifier, the mini humidifier, the dual Pixi toners, and the Christoph Robin scalp detox, and then the car organizer. Let me know what you guys think. Was this a good box? Are they stepping it up a little bit? I didn't see too many fitness options that I haven't picked already. So the fabulousness, I would say, are like the pricey items that you get. I mean, for $54, $59, I believe, is the price for the box. Like one of these is already paid for real. And these Pixi toners, you can get them for 15 bucks if you're lucky on sale. So anyway, I think it's a great box. I am always thrilled with any items that I get out of here, and I feel like this is the most used box that I actually get. Useful, I would say. All right, guys, let me know down in the comments what you think about FabFitFun. And again, the link will be in the comment section. And I will see you guys on the next video. Stay safe.